In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make money in your sleep. I know that sounds crazy because I once had the thought that was crazy, but now I am making money in my sleep, and I don't want to gatekeep this any longer. It's your turn to make money in your sleep too. Most people would love to tell you that selling t-shirts on Etsy or online is oversaturated, and I have a question to ask. Are those people that are saying that selling t-shirts on Etsy or online? Probably not. So let's start taking advice from people who actually are and who are successful. I've been doing this for 5 years now. I was able to quit my teaching career and move with my family to Greece. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be successful selling t-shirts on Etsy or online as well. And even better, I'm going to show you how this can be done without you having to hold any inventory with very minimal startup costs. Because we are going to be using a production company called Printify that's going to print, package, and ship all of the t-shirts for us to our customers. This is called print on demand, and basically what it is in a nutshell is you're going to make some really great designs easily using a design platform called Kittl Flows, which I'm going to show you in this video. And then we're going to take those designs and place them on t-shirts within Printify. Printify is going to print the design onto the product when a customer orders it, and then they're going to package it up really nicely and ship it to the customer for you. So there's no inventory and there's minimal startup costs because you're not paying for the product until you make that sale on Etsy. Once Etsy pays you for that sale, you'll be able to keep the difference from what you spent with Printify. So this is a hands-off business where you are just basically making the designs, placing them on a t-shirt mock-up, putting it up one time on Etsy for the possibility of it to sell over and over again while you sit back and collect the money. So the first absolute important thing is to make sure that we find products or designs that are trending and in demand, because I never want you to waste your time making designs that may or may not sell. We want to make designs that we know will definitely sell. So the first thing I did was I came to Etsy and I typed in t-shirts for women. Now we want to research what the best-selling t-shirts are on the Etsy platform at this very moment. So a quick way you're going to do this is right here. You see it says star seller. You're going to click this, and then you're going to come up to the URL up here, and we're going to change the word star to best. We want to know what the best sellers are. This is a little trick to do so. I'm also going to change the word star here to best. And now all of the best selling t-shirts for women are in front of us. It's the quickest way to sift through all of the Etsy listings to find the absolute best ones that are selling right now. I also wanted to show you, using my EVERBEE product analytics, proof of how much monthly revenue some of these listings are bringing in. That's right, this is the monthly revenue for just one t-shirt listing that is selling over and over again this month. This has only been up for 2 months and it's already made 377 sales. Now I do have these listings blurred out due to respect of the sellers, but you can use EVERBEE yourself for free with the link in my description below if you wanted to dig in further to see which listings and design aesthetics are making the most money on Etsy. But we can also do this the organic way. So we're going to browse through. I like to take 10 to 15 minutes every day to browse the Etsy platform to get an idea for different design aesthetics that are selling well. And the cool thing is, take a look at these bestsellers. They're all pretty simple. You don't have to be an artist or a graphic designer to be successful selling t-shirts on Etsy or in the e-commerce space. So as I'm browsing, I also want to get an idea for a design that can be replicated over and over again for different niches. For example, this one here is a bestseller, right? And this, we could say, is for the dog niche. It's a graphic of a dog with a floral print on it. This could be used over and over again across the board in all different niches. We could do a cat that looks like this with a floral print. We could do a wine glass that looks like this with a floral print, etc. Popular now, and also always popular, are positive t-shirts with positive sayings. So we're keeping that in mind. Here's another example of a positive t-shirt. I have been seeing a trend with these positive retro text t-shirts. Now, once you get into this print on demand business even further, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm constantly putting up new design aesthetics that I see across the board so that you can keep up with the trends and continue to make sales in this business. So make sure that you subscribe. Here is another one here. I cannot deny this trend that I'm seeing, so we're actually going to go with this. Now I'm going to show you how you can make designs so quickly in a matter of minutes using Kittl flows. Okay, so here we are in Kittl. I'm going to show you how you can easily make t-shirt designs without having any graphic design or artistic experience. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you're in Kittl, and by the way, you can try Kittl for free with the link in my description below. The first thing you're going to want to do is come to templates on the side over here, and then you're going to scroll down to Kittl flows. This is brand new to Kittl, and it's an effortless way to make designs over and over again that are going to scale your online t-shirt business. So we're going to click here, show all, and we are going to use this one right here, shirt maker. And now there are a bunch of templates that I can choose from and change to a bunch of t-shirt designs in a matter of minutes. So like I said, I was noticing the retro type t-shirts. So I'm looking for a retro template. We have this one here as a possibility. Don't overthink it. We have this one here as a possibility. This one. So this is actually going to be really great for us. I see a lot of retro templates. I think I'm actually going to go with this one right here, make your own look. So use template, use template. Now, the next little hack that I'm going to do is if I have trouble coming up with my own sayings that I want to put on the t-shirts, I'm going to actually try out using ChatGPT for this. Okay, now I am actually using the free version for this, and I'm going to say I want to make t-shirt designs for women that are positive quotes. They will be in a wavy retro font. Give me some examples. Each example should be less than 5 words. And now I have a bunch of examples. And I'm going to actually say yes to whatever it's saying about this. And now I have so many different sayings that I can choose from. I'm going to start with this one, be here now. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this top part, because I just need be here now. I just need 3 rows. So we're going to change this to say be, and this to say here, and this to say now. And now I'm going to get rid of these graphics because they don't really go with this saying. So delete, delete. And now I'm going to come over to illustrations. And I typed in sun. Let's find a cool sun. I like this smiley face one. However, smiley faces are trademarked. So be careful with that. Let's go with this. And we're going to change the color of it. And I'm going to duplicate that and bring it up here and change the color of it. And I'm actually going to change the color of this. Oh, I actually like that. Okay. All right. So now what I'm going to do is, still watching this video, can you go ahead and in the comment section below type in money goals so that I know that you're still here with me? You make sure that you are clicked up here on the canvas. Okay. And then you're going to come over to add smartboard. And now in this prompt box, I'm able to describe any edits that I want to make to this, and it's not going to change this original design. I will have this design now, but it's going to make me a new design here. So I can very easily change it to any of these sayings. Once I have the design that I really like, I can change it to anything else just from that prompt box. So let's change it to find your piece. Change the text to say find your piece. And now it does take about a minute, at least for me. I live in Greece and my internet is slow here. But I mean, that is much better than me sitting down to make my designs. It would take me so much longer to do it myself. So I'm okay with it taking that amount of time. All right. And that quickly, I have another design. Again, we can come back here And maybe I want to say keep it simple. So now you're going to make sure you're clicked up here and add another smartboard. Change the text to say keep it simple, generate. Okay, and now you can do this as many times as you want. But that's not it, guys. The other thing is you want to try out other aesthetics as well. Let's go back to the first one, the Be Here Now. I'm going to click on here and I'm going to make another smartboard. So now it's taking from this design and we're going down here. And now I'm trying a different kind of prompt. Make the text Be Here Now in hand-drawn script, earthy color palette, botanical illustrations, watercolor textures, soft natural tones, free-spirited bohemian style. This was a prompt that I got from ChatGPT, which I'll show you how I got it. And now let's see what it can come up with. While it's making that design for me, I will show you what I did. So in ChatGPT, I said, what are some prompts I can use with Kittl AI to turn these into different design aesthetics instead of the retro wavy font? And it gave me a bunch of different prompts that I can now use to change the aesthetic of that phrase. And now look how beautiful that is. I actually love that so much more than the original design. And now we can take it even further. Again, I'm going to click on the original design, add another smartboard. If I wanted to, I could add a smartboard to this one and change it as many times as I would like. Now we're going to use a coastal and beachy prompt. Make the text Be Here Now in soft sandy beige script, ocean wave illustrations, seashell accents, pastel blues and corals, coastal summer aesthetic. The more detailed, the better. Generate. And there we have it, another design. Let's come up to find your piece. So we would click on this smartboard and add a smartboard for find your piece. As you can see, it just continues to flow to another smartboard. And here, I'm prompting it to make the font Find Your Piece in celestial inspired font surrounded by stars, moons, constellations, yada, 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 generate. As you can see, these can just continue to flow on and on and on to make designs that we can now place on a print-on-demand product that will in turn make us money in our sleep. The options are literally endless when it comes to Kittl flows. Again, try this out for free with the link in my description below. I could sit here for hours and go on and on and on, but I'm not going to make you sit here with me. We are going to continue on with this tutorial. This was my favorite one so far, so I'm clicking here. I'm going to come up here to export, and I'm going to choose the one that I want. And I'm making sure that it is 5,000 by 5,000. Make sure that it is a PNG file so that it has a transparent background and a DPI of 300. And we're going to remove the background, optimize the quality, and download. Now that we have our designs, we're going to jump into Printify. Okay, here we are in Printify again. This is the printing company that I have used for years selling my print-on-demand products. Thousands of 5-star reviews from happy customers for the quality of their products. Plus, I myself have ordered samples and it's always been really great quality. You can sign up for Printify for free with the link in my description below. Now, like I said, they have hundreds of products to choose from. This video is specifically for t-shirts. So we're going to click into t-shirts here. Now, initially you might be overwhelmed with the amount of t-shirt brands that you can choose from. I will tell you from my experience, I have made thousands of sales using the Bella Canvas 3001. So you're going to choose a print provider within Printify. These are all great, but I most of the time use Swift POD. Now we're going to go to Start Designing, and over here on the right you can see that you can select variants, and there are all of these different color options to choose from. You can sell as many as you want on one Etsy listing. I'm just going to choose one color for this video. I think the design would look really great on this soft cream color. So I'm going to come over here to upload, and I'm going to bring in our design by clicking my device. Okay, that looks really nice on the soft cream, and I'm just going to bring it up a bit, preview it to make sure it looks good. All right, that looks really nice. Here are some different previews, and then save product. And then you're going to fill out the rest of the listing and publish it to Etsy. Now, I do want to say that I make my own mock-up photos instead of the Printify ones. The way I do this is by coming to Etsy and I type in the brand name of the t-shirt plus the word mock-up. So Bella Canvas 3001 t-shirt mock-up. And then I browse through until I find one that I like. It's important to pick an aesthetically pleasing, professional, high quality looking mock-up, preferably one that does not have just an all white background. So here's an example of one that I purchased before. And then I upload the design on top of it. I'm going to scale it to fit the t-shirt. Make sure if it needs to be turned, you turn it a little bit. Going to scale that down a little bit more. And then I actually lower the transparency of this a little bit because the design is going to be printed into the t-shirts. So we want to make sure that it looks like it is printed on. And then this is the picture that would be in my Etsy listing. So once I publish from Printify to Etsy, it is up for sale. And once a customer purchases it from Etsy, it will be synced up to Printify and they will print the design onto the shirt, package it up really nicely, and ship it to the customer for you. Now, of course, there are more details to starting this business. So I've provided a free tutorial in my description below, a free course that's going to hold your hand step by step through this whole process so that you can get your shop up and running as soon as today. Now go have fun making those t-shirt designs and making that extra money. I hope that this tutorial helped you. Please give me a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.